Okay, so when we moved into this house, there was a jungle in the back. We cleared it, put some grapes up along the fence. We have dogs, so we built the garden greenhouse behind the fence so they don't dig and eat our vegetables that we will start to grow. And we made this our botanical garden area. We're gonna start growing all different plants, vegetables.
Get out of there. Joe? No.
Got some more grapes growing back there, banana tree. Not sure if it's fruit bearing. We got a drip system put in, but the water runs off on this property all the way down, so water runs up underneath, so we get plenty of water. It's more of a wetland area, perfect for growing fruits and vegetables. Used our old decking from our house to build these walk paths. Got some huge elephant ears that will grow up in the summertime. And we got some blackberries and blueberry bushes growing. They're in their dormant phase right now. And all the water that runs off goes into our awesome creek back here. And this is actually suburban living. We are not in the country and we're not in the city. Summertime, of course, in Florida, it dries up a little bit, but we still get enough water underneath the ground to sustain what we need. Yep, a little target area for crossbows. Can always expand, get some more pots, put some more vegetables in, grow some more.